Okay, to open the garage door when you don't have power or when the door opener is not working, we all know that this is where you pull down and then the carriage disconnects and you can open your door manually. Okay, so this is how it works. If you have a garage door opener, when it malfunctions, the easiest way is to put in your cable release key and open up. Yeah, you can unscrew this, and then that pulls out the wire, and you maintain pressure on the wire. You hold down that you pull down that release handle, and then you can use this handle here to lift up your door manually. That would be the easy way to do it. There is usually a gap between the door and the top of the framing. So this is the gap here. If there is no gap, you should probably adjust your door so there is a gap, because you might need to slip a wire through to this this handle here to pull down to disengage the carriage so you can open up the door. So this is how you open the door from outside without a key. So basically the wire slips through the top of the door, and then you try to catch the handle here to pull down. It's going to be a little tricky. It's like opening up your car door with a coat hanger, but that's one way to do it. Now, if the top panel of your door doesn't leave a gap, you can make the adjustment here by loosening this nut and move the panel a little inward. You have to do it on both sides, on that side too. So if you leave a little gap between the door and the garage door, if something happens, you can slip the wire in and unhook that carriage handle. So this is the adjustment here. It moves up and down. You can move the top panel flush, and that closes the gap completely. But like I said, you probably don't want to do that unless you live in the garage and it's cold. But I don't think mostly people don't live in there. So it's probably a good idea to have a piece of wire like this inside your house instead of the garage, in case you need to use it for whatever reason. So this is the type of wire you should have. Make a hook like that, slip it in and then turn it, and then try to catch that handle. Of course, I'm not going to demonstrate that. It will probably take quite a while to do that, especially if this gap is very tight. You're going to have a problem. You might have to remove a lot of trim here to do that. You don't want to do that.